Bazala bami Zitho, welcome to Umgosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umgosi wethu wanamhlanje bazala bami Zitho is about uFelix Hlophe. Guys, we saw on yesterday's episode that uFelix and Ayanda, they are no longer together, and I guess a lot of people, they are happy because Ayanda to us came across as if umuntu enenkinga. The first wife Felix to shoot with Tracy yesterday, she even said ukuthi Tracy said umntana lokuqala. A lot of people, they are saying akusumntana kaFelix, and a lot of people, they are saying Felix menenza DNA. Like mina, to me it came across as if Ayanda wanted uFelix ukuthi kube owakhe. She felt as if mhlambe yena udeserve ukuthi abe first wife or abe one as uFelix, because uthe yena indaba ukuthi uFelix uzalaka yi-one kakhe then alala wonke amalanga Trace. I understand. Just imagine ufuna ukuthi uFelix atshele umkakhe ukuthi ngicela ukwelala kantombi yami. It doesn't make sense, but I'm glad ukuthi uFelix ube indoda washaka nyawo phansi wathi, you know what, I guess mina nawe kumele sihlukane. Mara nayo ishilo ukuthi kudala abahlukana babuyelana, and her saying uTrace udlisa Felix, it seems like uyodlisa Felix because usithatha the nerve of saying dala sihlukana sizobuyelana. Mara asikho lapho, guys. And even talking about the release show is just shaky and a bit scary because we know that abantu bakaHlophe, they don't want us to talk about uTracy naye keep his statement wathi she made a video saying abantu yena noFelix, they have ama differences wabo bayaxabana njengayo yonke couple. Ucela abantu bayekukatheka uFelix. I don't know why mina abantu, they do ama reality shows and get money, but they don't want us as viewers to have our opinions and impilo zabo. While kubo balethe impilo zabo on TV, you must know mele bafunde kamseleko noma ungakhuluma ini, they don't care. They'll just push that thing, and that is why whenever show I'm sure is either ingane zesithembu or uthando nethembu, it will be the top watched reality TV show because they always produce into or provide. So I think producers provide what we are not expecting. You understand? They always give us into besingayicabanga. Sinokusho ukuthi mhlambe unumber 5 akekho, avele number 5 abekhona. That is one thing about Babumsele. You'll never hear Babumsele responding to anything abantu abayishoyo. You will never hear Babumsele threatening to sue us. He understands the more sikhuluma ngaye, the more ama viewers akhuphuka. You understand? But yeah, today I wanted to talk about another lady or TikTok or post Felix. That means unkosikazi wethu Felix, because on the video ufake ingoma saying yena no Felix engathi umyeni wakhe ngibonga umyeni wami. The lady yesterday bekakreda this is the third belt nje mele ngisho ukuthi Felix yabathanda abafazi abahle nabafazi abafundile. The lady seems very humble because on the video even uyabona abantu abaphendulayo lapha nje ukuthi uphendula with respect. So I guess this is Felix wife number 2 because Felix ushilo ukuthi Thembu noma ngaze ahlukane noAyanda as much as athanda uAyanda, but uzochubeka aze athole omnye umuntu. So I guess this is the wife number 2. If we'll get to know about the wife number 2 on season 2 of the Life with Felix Hlophe or Life with the Hlophes, or maybe my logo to the show sizombona ugirl. I don't know much about ugirl, and Felix akasho much about her, but that is all for now. As always, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.